Hello, you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna do this fun eye look. And मैं use करी हूँ beauty bay palette and using this small brush I'm creating this shape. I was thinking of doing a wing like shape, but it was not that clean. Then I'm filling the shape with the light colors and giving it a ombre effect, like using a light pink color, and in the inner corner I'm gonna use white color and give it a very beautiful transition of colors from dark to light. And then I'm cutting the shape. So after cutting this, making the shape neat, then I'm gonna use a angular brush and gonna create a wing like we usually do with eyeliner. I'm doing it with eyeshadow and with the help of an angular brush. And I'm gonna just blend a little bit of these edges of the purple color with this fluffy brush. And to complete this look, I'm using this glitter. It's very pretty. As you can see, it's giving a multicolor effect. And you can see I'm patting it. Then for the lower lash line, I chose this color. And then I added three rhinestones to make it more fun. And now I'm using these lashes. These lashes are a little heavy, but they are looking very good with this eye look. And this is the final eye look. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such eye looks.